These cookies are made with just 2 ingredients and they actually taste like real cookies. Listen to this. It's slightly set on the outside, but when you break it open, it's soft, naturally sweet, and just a little chewy inside. You can use medjool dates for this or any soft dates you have. If your dates are a little firm, just soak them in hot water for a few minutes. Then drain them well. That helps them blend smoothly and gives you a softer texture in the cookies. I'm just using really soft dates here, so I'm skipping the soaking part. Remove the pits and set them aside. Now measure about 1.5 cups of walnut. Use high quality walnuts here as they are the star ingredient and can make or break the flavor. Add them to a food processor and pulse until they turn into a coarse meal. You don't want to overblend here because walnuts release oil quickly and can turn into a butter if you go too far. These 2 ingredient walnut date cookies have no flour, no butter, no refined sugar, just real simple ingredients that actually work. And honestly, they are really satisfying. And the best part is, this comes together in minutes and it's almost impossible to mess up. If you have got walnuts and dates, you're already halfway there. Once that's ready, add in the pitted dates. Blend again and you'll see everything start to come together into a soft dough. It might look crumbly at first, but keep blending and it will naturally form a dough. You are looking for a mixture that's slightly sticky, holds together like a dough, and it's easy to press. That's the sign that's ready. And at this point, you really don't need anything else. The walnuts provide natural fats that bind everything together, and the dates bring in all the sweetness. Transfer the mixture to a bowl and start shaping. Take small portions and roll them into balls. Try to keep them even so they cook evenly. Then gently flatten them into a cookie shape. You can leave them simple or press a pattern on top using a tomato slicer, a fork, a knife, or anything you have in your kitchen. They might not look like much right now, but wait till they are done. You can also flavor these up if you like. A little cinnamon or cardamom works really well, or even a splash of vanilla or almond extract. You can also add some orange or lemon zest for a fresh twist. Line the air fry basket, then place the cookies inside. Leave a little space between each one so they don't stick. Air fry at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for about 9 to 10 minutes. You're not really baking these like traditional cookies, you're just setting them so they hold their shape. You'll see the surface change slightly from glossy to more matte, and the edges will feel lightly firm while the center stays soft. That's exactly what you want. Once they're done, let them cool completely. Cooling is important because they firm up slightly on the outside as they cool while staying soft and chewy inside. And that's it. Simple, clean, and honestly hard to stop just at one. You'll see what I mean. You can enjoy them just like this or take it up a notch and spread a little peanut butter or any nut butter between 2 cookies for a quick sandwich. They are naturally sweet, full of nutty flavor, and perfect when you want something dessert-like without using refined sugar. And if you like that classic combo, try dipping one in milk. It just makes everything better. If you try these 2 ingredient walnut date cookies, let me know how they turn out and what you pair them with. And if you enjoy simple, no-fuss recipes like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my Ginger Garlic Kitchen channel for more easy and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Happy baking. See you next time.